Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will learn how to create a jetton token using TonSmith.fun website. So here is the website URL. First you have to connect wallet. Our wallet is connected. Now we will uh, click on the create tokens. First we have to upload the image URL. You have to host the image size 256 by 256. Right now I will copy the image size 256 by 256, copy image address. I will click here and paste the URL, save the URL. Then I will write the token name, then I will write the symbol and the supply and the description. Next click on the deploy. Pay the transaction fee, enter your wallet password, so our token is created and we can see here owner fee wallet token address. Let's check. Okay, we can see the holder is 1 and the total supply, and here we can see on the tone viewer the token name and the supply and the holder. You see two transaction when we're deploying the contract. The first transaction is the deployment of the contract, and the second transaction for the minting of the tokens. So here you can manage the tokens like transfer tokens, burn tokens, mint new tokens, and also you can set transfer fee and pass and unpass, freeze wallet, update metadata, lock metadata, renounce ownership or transfer ownership. Now let's add the liquidity. I will paste the token contract address here and it will be fetch the token details, and I will add set the price here like 1 ton equal to 1000 token or 10,000, and I will add the uh, amount of the ton 1 ton in the liquidity, and let's create a pool. So we are adding 10,000 um, tokens in the liquidity pool. Liquidity added. Let me check on the explorer. Okay, you can see here is the two holders uh, Aston FedEx, and here is the our wallet, and we have to check if we can buy and sell our token. So we can check the liquidity here. If our token have liquidity, because we see here our, yes, we can see our pool is created, and here is the LP balance tokens, ton amount and the token balance. So now our token is tradable.